I have real trouble telling the truth. I don't understand the concept, actually, but somebody told me it was important, so here it goes. Most of the time, most days, I feel nothing. I don't feel anything. It is so boring. I wake up and I think, again, really? I have to do this again? And what I really don't understand is how come everybody else isn't screaming with boredom, too. I try to find ways of making myself feel something. More and more and more, but it doesn't make any difference. No matter what I do, I don't feel anything. I hurt myself. It doesn't hurt. I buy what I want. I don't want it. I do what I like. I don't like it. I'm just so bored.